everybody, it's me Bekesa. Welcome back to my channel, the Canva Cafe. I'm going to do a quick voiceover for you with this new, well, it's not new. It might be new to you, but I've been using it for quite some time. And I've even posted previously in my other stories about this app, and it's called Vintage Logo. It actually was the app I used when I first made my logo many moons ago, and it's not cute, but you know, I tried. So anyway, once you open up the app, you can go to the text section and type whatever your copy you want to type. Here I did happy holidays. You can do shop now, buy now, pay late, whatever you want to do is up to you. Now once you've selected your text, you can go ahead and change the font. There's several fonts for you to choose from. I don't know why I can't talk, y'all. There's several fonts for you to choose from, and if you don't find the font that you like, you can always upload fonts inside of this app. It allows that. You'll head over to the button at the bottom that says the overlay, and then you'll hit the little plus sign, and that'll take you to your photo library, or they have a library of their own. And if you don't have anything in your library, they also have other overlay options for you to choose from. So once I head to my photos, I selected a photo of my choosing. Since we're doing holiday words, I chose a holiday photo. And those pictures that I have in there, I actually got them out of Canva, and I saved them with transparent background and uploaded them into my phone because I knew I needed it for this tutorial. So what I also did was I did several versions of the word happy holiday and did them in several different fonts with several different overlays, just to have a little fun interest. Plus I wanted to show you all the different things that you can do. Once you've completed your fonts, then you would just save them and upload them with a transparent background because it will prompt you to. And then I head over to Canva where I uploaded the images, and then I go ahead and treat it just like any other image. I added shadows, I did an outline, and basically that's it. So you can do several words, whatever you want to do that you need to do. In here, I'm just going to combine all of those fonts together, all those images together to make like a really fun background. And you can use this as an inspiration to do another fun background and make an amazing, one-of-a-kind, unique graphic. And in this clip, I'm just playing around with the shadows, with different versions of it, different intensities, different sizes, and different color outlines and what have you. So don't be afraid to play around with the different functionalities in the shadows. And here you have an amazing background that you can use for whatever you want to use it for. I think it would look amazing all over your poly mailers. Now I'm just going to do the same thing all over again with a different word. So this is just some inspiration for different words that you can use for your content, that you can use the overlay for, just to add a little extra, you know, a little extra something, something. So each time you have completed your overlay and your text and you're all done and you're ready to upload it, there's a box at the top right that has an arrow, and you select that and it will prompt you to select the way you want to upload. And I would select export without background PNG. And then once you do that, it'll prompt you to this page where it shows you how you want to export it, what size, what proportions. And then once you do that, you hit the upload again, and it will automatically upload to wherever you want it to upload, whether you want to save it to your phone or if you want to airdrop it. Well, I have a Mac. If you want to airdrop it to somewhere else. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, comment, share, and like. I would suggest you make several different fonts with different overlays and save them to your Canva. That way you have them ready for all your campaigns and marketing material. And I really hope you're enjoying our 12 days of Canvamas. And let me know in the comments what other video tutorial you're interested in. And if you made it to the end of the video, comment, I made it.